to ask about those films throughout your life before we start talking about your own films that maybe pinpointed certain elements to your life and the films and the filmmakers that have influenced you.
I think pretty much anyone my age, I'm 47, so for me, one of the most impactful films as a youngster was Lucas's first Star Wars. I was 7 when it came out, and I think I went to see it 12 times in the movie theater until Empire Strikes Back came out. And I do remember at one point asking my dad to take me when it re-released, and I remember him finally saying, I've given George Lucas enough money.
First up then, 2000's Memento. The story came from your brother's short story that he wrote.
One day it just sort of clicked for me that if you told the story with a reverse chronology, then, as you say, the information would be denied the audience. You wouldn't know what had just happened the way the character doesn't know what just happened.
Who did this to you?
You did.
The Dark Knight in 2008 and this iconic character that you and Lindy Hemming and Heath created for the Joker.
To watch him figure that out and start to bring that together, and the way he spoke.
I'm a man of my word.
I can remember watching the crew respond. The first time he would really use that voice and when they talked, you know, you could feel it, everybody could feel that he was doing something very special.
What was the seed for Inception?
A lot of what's in there goes back to my college days. I was living in a hall of residence, and where you paid for breakfast. What I would do is I'd set my alarm clock, wake up, go eat, and then go back to bed. And in that state of sleeping between, 10 o'clock and 1 o'clock or whatever you were doing, you could lucid dreaming, where you become aware of the fact that you're dreaming, and then you try and manipulate the dream in some way. The early involvement in the project of Kip Thorne as the executive producer. Kip is a very brilliant physicist who, he had all of these equations on what the gravity of a black hole would do to the light and therefore the appearance. And essentially we had the graphics machines. Paul and his team were able to take these equations and spend months and months and months rendering them and looking at what the mathematics would really provide, which was something beyond what anyone would sort of design.
Fabulous Christopher Nolan.